In the performance-driven world of manufacturing, growth depends on making faster, smarter business decisions. Visibility is key to spot potential problems before they even arise, along with the right tools to expedite daily tasks and empower your workers. ValuTrack has a long history of helping manufacturers evolve their daily operations. As a single-source solution to automate manufacturing and warehouse needs with the help of mobility leader Zebra Technologies, we can revolutionize your daily operations with the latest barcoding, printing, and RFID solutions for class-leading efficiency. Plus the perfect software and business applications for your specific needs, with access to real-time data while eliminating manual inventory. We can fully automate your daily processes to drive long-term efficiency and a fantastic ROI. For more information or to schedule a free demonstration, contact ValuTrack today.